What's up guys? Yan naman yung babalik once again. At kitang-kita nyo naman nandito tayo sa Mount Stewart. At kung mapapasin nyo, napakaganda ng view. Yun, amas. Nakita nyo konti. Yan. Napakalupit, diba? Kitang-kita ang buong Townsville. Diba? Lawak. Pwede ka magmura, diba? Angas. Ang ina mo! See that? Echoing. Yan, so kung mapapasin nyo mga kaibigan, lakad lang tayo dito ng konti. Kasama natin yung tropa ko dito, hindi ko napapakita. We're going to walk here steps by steps. In Mount Stewart, we're not allowed to have drones, as you can see. And look at that, is that kangaroo over there? Hey Nag, you reckon it's kangaroo? Jeez, bro. Alright. Someone left their KFC over there. Yeah. Kentucky fucking chicken. Really good. Look at that. Panoramic view of Townsville. Whoa. Yeehaw. Look at that. So as you can see mga kaibigan, napakaganda ng view dito. Kita nyo naman. Meron ditong Allied Rock Wallaby. Ewan ko ano ba yan. Isang klase ng animal dito. At yun, kasama kong tropa kong nasinag. Namamasyal-masyal lang kami dito dahil nga syempre, masarap naman talaga mamasyal din dito sa Mount Stewart. At kitang-kita nyo naman na napakalawak ng lugar talaga. So as you can see right now, we're walking in dangerous paths. I'm with Nag. Yeah. I was thinking about getting the insect repellent. Do you have one? Didn't bring one. Good one. Nah, later on, brother. What's that? Alright. Now we're going up the top. Is this the top or the bottom? Look at that, bro. Granite and grass trees. Let's go, bro. What's up, guys? You're in here? Yeah, once and for all. All right. We're doing what's this called again? Slinging, yeah. We're gonna sling like shepherd sling, German shepherd sling, yes. So we're gonna act like David against Goliath. Alright, we're gonna swing it. Alright, the wind is too strong as you can see. Another one. Alright, we're gonna try another one. Alright. Oh shit. Again. Alright, game. See that boy? See the boy? See the boy?
Nice.
So yun nga mga ropa, yun lang ang video ko dun. Ayun, dahil ayun, may mga bagay kasi na hindi na pa pwedeng videoan dun. Kaya ayun, umalis na kami ng kasama ko. Hindi ko na rin pinakita kung sino kasama ko. Kasi nga, syempre, ayaw niya magpakita. Yun lang. Maraming salamat and peace out yun. Tropa ko yun, namasyal lang kami talaga sa Mount Stewart kasi sobrang boring talaga. Wala kami magawa, yun lang. Yeah.